living in the flow, helping abundance and prosperity and love grow through the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And today we're talking about energy. We're talking about vibration and we're talking about flow. It feels good. I mean, it feels good when money is just flowing into your life. When all of a sudden you go out to the mailbox and there's a check. When all of a sudden you get a phone call and somebody's sending you some money. It feels good to have prosperity coming into your life. It also feels good to have love growing and abounding in your life. Think about it this way. Everything that you desire has the ability to flow into your life. It not only has the ability to flow, it has the ability to grow. Let it flow, let it grow. Oh, you need to write that one down below here. Let it flow and let it grow. So I'm going to give you a few key words that if you'll use these key words over and over and over again, they'll become kind of second nature to you and they'll remind you on your journey. As you take your life journey, there are certain things you desire. There are certain experiences and feelings that you desire. And I believe with all my heart that you deserve all of these: the money, the love, the health, the vitality, the abundance, the prosperity, all of it. So the first word is open. Open. Open up to your unlimited potential. Now I want you to think about this just for a moment. You are a co-creator of the universe. Say it right now in your mind. I am a co-creator of the universe. If nothing else, you are a co-creator of your universe. Now, I want you to think for a moment who your partner is. Your partner is the unlimited field of potential. I mean, unlimited potential. The creator of suns and stars and just everything you've ever seen, trees and mountains and oceans. This is who your partner is. And you're wondering if you can write a book and get it published? You've got an unlimited partner. You've got a partner that has some pretty cool assets. Now, some people call this partner God. Other people call it source energy. Whatever you want to call it, that's fine by me. But you are in a partnership. Therefore, open up to your unlimited potential. Once you accept that I don't care what everybody is saying. I don't care what the naysayers say. You know, I think about a guy named Colonel Sanders. And I've told this story before, but he drove around the country in an old beat-up Cadillac with a piece of paper in his hand. He was 65 years old and dead-ass broke, but he had a co-creator partner, the universe, and he had unstoppable belief and faith in himself. It was a recipe for Kentucky Fried Chicken. He made millions and millions of dollars. Now, if an old guy with a chicken recipe and a beat-up car can drive around the country sleeping in his car and become a multi-millionaire, what can you do? What can you do? You have no limits. You have no boundaries. You need to get serious about that. Because every time you say, I can't, oh, I can't do that. I can't do that. You limit yourself and you limit your partner. Who is your partner? The universe. Source energy. God. Don't limit that partner. Because that partner working in harmony with you, the two of you can create anything. All you have to do is be in alignment with what you desire to open up to your unlimited potential, the word open, and let the energy flow to you. Let the wealth flow to you. Let the love flow to you and let it grow. The next word, high flyers, that I think it's important to memorize is trust. Now, I'm going to share with you something that I think is very important. Trust the success you desire. The success you desire is going to be less than the success you receive. Trust the success you desire will be less than the success that you receive. In other words, if you have a goal of $10,000, don't be shocked when 15,000 shows up, when 20,000 shows up. I can't imagine, visionary though he is, that Jeff Bezos ever imagined Amazon being this big. So trust that your success. Now, some people say, well, I don't see any success, Robert. I don't see any. It's not happening for me. And that's an affirmation. And that becomes your belief. And that becomes how you live your life. You've got to live your life with some trust. I don't care what it looks like out there. All I'm concerned about is what's going on in here and here. That's why it's so important to work with the power of your mind. The power of your mind changes everything. Once your subconscious mind is working in harmony, working in tandem with your conscious mind, you're sending a clear vibratory signal to the infinite field of potential, and that's when miracles begin to happen. Let me give you an address I want you to visit. As my special gift, I'd like you to visit lawofattractionsolutions.com/miraclemind. I have an MP3 there for you that will help you with your subconscious mind, with the resistance that you've been going through. It'll help bring abundance and prosperity and love and happiness into your life. Visit lawofattractionsolutions.com/miracle mind. It's free. It's our gift to you. So our first word was open. Our second word was trust. Our third word is know. Know. Absolutely. The ancients called it gnosis. To simply, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to prove it to you. I just know that I know that I know. Know that your mind has no boundaries, that your potential has no limits. Walt Disney said, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. You have to get to that point with yourself. Look yourself in the mirror and say, I know. I don't know how I know. I don't have any proof. I don't have any evidence. But I absolutely know that I am attracting exactly what I desire. Matter of fact, I've already attracted it. It's already present. I just need to open the door. And you open the door through your belief and through your inspired actions. Know that you have unlimited potential. High flyers, our next word is the word allow. Allow the alignment. Once you really feel like you're doing the work. You really feel like you're operating at your highest potential. Once you're at that point, just allow it to happen. Allow your alignment to match up with the universe, and the two of you to create unbelievable miracles, unbelievable miracles, unbelievable miracles in your life. And I mean that. I have seen so many unbelievable miracles happen when people take the time to raise to their highest potential and then move into alignment with flow energy, with the universe, with their deepest desires, with their passions. And they just know, they just absolutely know that everything they desire has already manifested. Oh, it feels very, very good to know that everything you desire is already present. Look at your life experience. What you're going through right now does not control your future. If your life experience, you may be homeless right now. You may be struggling right now after the loss of a relationship. Your business may be going into the tank right now. I don't know what's going on in your life, but your life experience does not control your future. Write that down below here. My life experience does not control me or my future. Think about Thomas Edison. They asked him, they said, well, man, you failed a lot of times. He said, well, truthfully, all I did is come up with a success formula that required a lot of steps. And so you have a success formula hidden within you, just like Thomas Edison did when he created the electric light bulb. You have a success formula. It's in there. Believe it. Trust it. Allow it to flow. I think about Jennifer Lopez. Oh, wow, what an actress. She is the first Latina to earn over $1 million in the movies. Her mother and family, they all said, oh no, you're not going into show business, and you're not going to be a dancer, you're going to go to school. And she said, no, I have this burning desire in me. I feel something. I'm certain of something. And she started out, I believe, I'm not certain, I think she started out as a backup dancer for Janet Jackson. Now she's worth millions and millions of dollars, very successful. But she trusted, she allowed the energy to flow through and into her life. How about J.K. Rowling's? Oh, what a story there. Went through a divorce, was on welfare, right? Okay, you know people on welfare. Maybe you're on welfare. You know what it's like. But she didn't give up. She didn't say, well, I'm a welfare mom. That's my lot in life. That's the evidence. She didn't do that. She wrote Harry Potter and became multi-millionaire and very, very, very successful and inspired a lot of people. And of course, for you rockers out there, Joan Jett. Joan Jett was turned down by 23 different record labels. She took her demo to 23 different record labels. Most of you would have given up, right? Well, not you, because you're a high flyer, but you know people that would have given up. But Joan Jett didn't. She says, well, if they won't publish my music, I'll form my own label and do it myself. And she had hit after hit after hit after hit. And of course, the Beatles. Arguably the number one pop group, rock group of all times. They were turned down by every record label in England. And yet, they became the biggest sensation in rock history. They didn't give up. They knew it would happen. It was just a matter of time because it was already present. They were open to it. Remember the word open. They trusted it, they knew it, and they lived it. That's important. Live your dream right now because it's happening right now. The money you desire, the love you crave, and the health you depend upon. Your worries bring defeat. Your life experience does not control your future. You do. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it.